Hi everyone, it's Kathy, your Scentsy consultant again. Hey, I'm coming to you today because I wanted to talk to you about our February happenings, things that are going on. Today's February 19th, so we are in the home stretch. We only have, 9 days left. So I wanted to talk to you about some things that I don't think you're going to want to miss out on. Let's see, what did I want to start with? Oh, this entire month we have had 10% off almost everything in our fall and winter catalog. That is a big deal, especially because we are offering 10% off of most of our Disney products. We don't normally offer 10% on licensed products. In fact, our Major League Baseball hat warmers and some of our other licensed items are not in the 10% off sale, but Disney is. So if you're wanting to try one of our Disney buddies or some of our Disney wax, like I have Winnie the Pooh here, we have Princess Wax, things like that. Now would be a great time because it's also 10% off of our bundles. Normally a 6-pack of wax bars is $30. Right now it's only $27. What a great time to get those things. Well, that's for the regular bars. Disney's are a little bit more than that, but let's see what else. Right now, it's speaking of Disney. Excuse my reach, but let me show you what I just got. Let's see, let me turn them around here. Da, 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 da. Stitch. Stitch is our new Disney buddy. I'm just going to give you a quick preview because I may do a separate video on Stitch. So, but he is super cute. And we've got a couple accessories that go with him. And I will talk more about that in a separate video. But let's see. Because we're having, well, the 10% off that we're having is because we are in a transition month. That means March 1st starts our new spring and summer catalog, and we've got new fragrances coming out. We've got new warmers. We're discontinuing a lot. So if you have not checked my Facebook page, which is Kathy2 Independent Scentsy Consultant, get on there because I've listed a lot of the scents and things that are being discontinued. If you have a favorite scent, you're going to want to add that to our Scentsy Club so that you can continue to get that even after it's discontinued. But the big thing I wanted to talk to you about today was our Join promotion. When I joined Scentsy, I paid $99 and I got this big kit full of stuff. You may have seen my video. If you haven't, I'll link it below and you can see everything that I opened. I unboxed it on camera, and it was amazing, all the products you get for just $99. But in February, Scentsy has given us a promotion of $49. You get a slightly smaller kit, but you still get a ton of amazing stuff, and I wanted to talk to you about what you get in that. If you decide to join the Scentsy family and become a consultant, you can join for many different reasons, one of those being just to purchase the products for yourself and earn a commission. If you want to build a small business, if you want to build a big business, that's all possible with Scentsy. So yeah, $49 is all it's going to cost you. Okay, sorry about that. My son decided to play PlayStation. He's homesick, but obviously feeling a little bit better. Anyway, I wanted to show you some of the things that you're going to get in your $49 kit. I don't have exactly that because, again, I got the $99 kit when I joined, which is still an option if you would like everything that I got in my kit, but I'm going to show you the $49 one. You're going to get a warmer. Again, it is not this exact warmer, but it's one of our popular ones, and it's a good size. It will scent any room in your home, multiple rooms, depending on how much wax you put in it. It'll be great if you decide to have parties and make this into a business, because then you'll have a display item that you can show how warmers work. You also get a bar of wax. Again, not this scent. I got this in my kit, but the scent you get will probably be different. But you get a whole bar of wax. You can use it to make samples. You can use it in your warmer that you get in your kit. Use it for yourself, sell it, whatever you want to do. You get a tester set. You get a whole complete tester set. There's actually more to this set. I don't have all mine in there because I have a basket party out right now. So this is actually normally full if all testers are in here. And in that, yours will come with the new spring and summer scents for this year. All of those tester sets so that you can have parties, you can show your friends, you can sample them yourself. What else do we get? Okay, we get, where is it here? 25 of the new spring and summer catalogs. Each time you order, like if you are a consultant, they come in packs of 25, so you get a full pack of 25 full color glossy catalogs. So then you also get one of our fall and winter catalogs. This is what's being discontinued this month. Not all of these, but a lot of the products in here, and we're switching over to spring and summer. But you do still get one of these so that if you join soon, you still have a current catalog that you can order from. You will also get a pack of 50 product sheets. And again, this is fall and winter, but front to back, you can fold these. These are easier to mail. You can hand them out with samples. You get a pack of 50 if I didn't say that already. You also get, let's see, order forms. I believe you get a whole pack of 100 order forms. That's what I got in my $99 kit, but you also get it in your $49 kit. You get join and host brochures. This tells you about hosting parties, tells you about the, there's my dog. I'm getting a UPS shipment. I think it's my scent and warmer of the month, and I'm really excited. So you get brochures that talk about joining. Here's the kit that I got, the $99 kit that you can hand out if you decide to build your team. You get 3 months free of website subscription. This gives you your back office where your customers can place orders. You can get training and up-to-date news that's happening in Scentsy, and everything you need is on that website, and you get 3 months of it free in this $49 kit. After that, it's $10 a month. So there you go. You already get $30 in just website subscription for a $49 fee. You get a training guide. You get, what else? Print your own labels. Let me see, I think I have those here. Okay, so they look like this. Sends these to you blank and you can print them. They have a template on your workstation, which is your website. You can print them on your own printer without any information you want to put in there. And those can go on your brochures and on your products and everything you want to do with that. I just cannot get over how much Scentsy gives you for such a little amount of money. I mean, this $49 gets you up and running immediately. And again, if you don't want to make this a business, then you're getting a warmer and wax and testers and everything just to have and use, which you would spend close to that if you were just buying this on your own for your own personal use. So anyway, I think it's an amazing deal. I am really trying to build my team, and I would love to have you join me. I have time to dedicate to you. I'm gaining more and more knowledge every day, and I just want to be here for you, and I want to support you. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. We only have 9 days left in this month, and I really want to get you that kit for $49. So take care, everyone. Have a good day. Check out my Facebook page. Check out my website. I'll leave everything linked below. And take care and have a good rest of your week. Bye-bye.